What's up, YouTube family? Welcome to my channel. This is your boy Jimmy Boy Maple, back at you with another video. And in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing for the YEEZY 350 V2 linens. So this is the box. This is what I got in the mail today. Let's quickly unbox it and see what's inside the box. Okay. I'm gonna put the razor aside now and take a quick look inside this box. Okay. Alright, so we've covered the box. I'll put this aside for now. Alright, here it is. Your standard 350 boxes that come with all Yeezys. There's Boost on the side over here. So that's the side view of the box, which also has a size tag. And for the side thing, you can see this is a US male 6.5, and the official colorway for this is linen, linen, and linen. Now let's quickly get the shoe out of the box and show you guys what the shoe looks like. And here it is. Bang! I don't know what's up with these boxes or how they make these boxes, but they always smart, and it never fails to make me laugh every time I open these boxes. Well, we're gonna put this to the side for now and take a look at the shoe. Alright, and I must say that these actually look way better in hand than on the pictures, and I really like these after seeing them in person and holding them. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360 view of the shoe first. So starting from this side, moving to the back, to this side of the shoe, the upper portion of the shoe, and then the bottom, so where you can see the outer sole and the boost sole. So let's talk a little bit more about the shoe now, about the features. First off, you have the iconic thick midsole over here, which has boost, which is standard for all 350 V2s. The upper part of the shoe, or the upper panel, is made out of the same fly knit or that elastic kind of material that's standard for all 350 V2s. On the side over here, on the side panel over here, you have these this hits of 3M. So this is more like a tinted silverish, I would say like a silver blue, or like a silverish blue that you can see over here, which goes all the way to the back of the shoe over here. And the same blue color is also present on the top over here on the liner, and also on the sock liner of the shoe. And if you take a look at the insole, it has the same blue color. Now as we move on to this side of the shoe, there's not much happening on this side. It's pretty much clean and plain and simple, and the same can be said for the top of the shoe. And the laces that it comes with is your standard rope laces that's standard for your 350 V2s. One thing that stands out, which I just noticed, is on this part of the sole, it has this your gum colorway. Like, it looks like a gum sole color, and that's the only thing that's kind of different. But otherwise, if you look at the rest of the sole, it's all the same color, which matches the upper of the shoe. Now, a few interesting things, or a few things I'd like to share with you about the shoe is that this particular model, the 350 V2 linens, dropped on the 28th of April. Sorry, my bad, my apologies. That's when I actually got it. That's today. These dropped on the 18th of April, on the Adidas website, and I tried to pick one up on my size, which is an 8.5, but I was not able to. I took an L, but I did enter a raffle for one of our local Canadian stores, which is Livestock, for a size 6.5 for my friend's wife, and I actually won those, and I was really happy that I was at least able to win the shoe and get this in hand and feel the shoe and see what it feels like. And after this review, I am going to be meeting my friend and handing this pair of shoe to his wife, and I'm pretty sure she'll be delighted and happy about this. I paid a retail of 300 Canadian dollars for this particular shoe, and with the taxes in Ontario, that was an extra $50. So I paid about $350 and for this particular pair of shoe, and I'm happy that I was able to get it at retail price versus getting it for resale price. But all in all, yeah, let me know what your thought and or how you feel about this particular model. Did you guys take a W or an L for this particular shoe? Do you guys love the color or hate the color? Do you guys love this model or hate this model? Do you think they should continue making more of these for the next year, or whether Kanye should do something different? Yeah, so those are my thoughts, and personally, I like this pair of shoe. I think it's easy to get dirty though, but it's an awesome pair of shoe for summer, and something that is easy to wear with any kind of clothing, your casual clothing that you wear. And yeah, that's all I had to say about the shoe, and that brings us to the end of this video. And again, I would like to thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Wherever you guys are watching this video from, stay safe, take care, peace out.